Welcome back to the video.
Welcome back to the video.
Yes, welcome back. I know it's been a while since everybody seen me. Probably I wonder what going on and what's up, but I mean everything is good. Yeah. But I know everything good. You understand? And I'll come and pretend like everything is alright. But big up to everybody. Big up to the real subscribers then while they are with you from day one. Wow. See which part we are come from and you understand? I don't really see me run in front of the camera. I don't really smell your life to be in front of the camera and talk every minute and everything. That is I know something I like to do. But yeah. I like to shoot and get work done. You understand? But yeah, big up everybody that has been watching and sharing up and still a watch and did and wait to see something drop. You understand? But yeah, I don't know equipment to myself personally like that. Only got one camera and we need some tripod. We need at least 2 tripod and light stand and you understand? But yeah, information I go there in the link I go in the description. So you can see what I want. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh, okay.
And me and Daddy at the river.
Yeah, tell him again.
Me and Daddy at the river.
Yeah, and which river over there? Which river over there? Which river over there?
On the
Roaring River. Say Roaring River.
river.
Yeah. Woo. Water cool?
Take a seat.
Alright, so pull up yourself now. Pull up yourself now. On the line. On the line. On the line. Right. So yeah guys, we're at the river right now, me and Alorah. Yeah. Happy Easter to everybody out there. You understand? We're at the river right now. So yeah, stop up the screen, share the live.
Welcome back to the video, to the live.
Welcome back to the video. So look at what I do. Here?
Yeah.
So come back. Stop. Eh? What's we doing? Welcome back to the channel. Say.
And we at the river having fun and swimming.
We are having fun. Alright, just make it do a little show off. Please. Yeah? It was a prank. It's a prank again. Hold on.
All of the weapons are restricted.
Hold on, come on me back. Turn up on me back.
Any and all.
You can't stand up? Stand up. Stand up, stand up.
Daddy, that looks like you're going to drop me.
Me not drop you.
I'm going to put on your hat with water inside. That's it enough. That's why you told me.
Hold on. The ship is moving. The ship is moving. You gotta tell the captain to go back under the bridge. Sim. Take out the cups, take out the cups.
It can feel good.
Ready? Underwater, summer break. What's up? You don't do
Can I go back to the river?
Swim here. Yeah, good, relax. Lay back, lay back, lay back. You have to make it go in your mouth. My turn. Hold the camera. Turn around.
Your turn to do the same thing just like me.
You see everything just like you. Put the camera palm. That was tough. You see everything.
Relax. Go. Daddy, let them a little bit. A little bit. Push down your head. Push down your head. What of your hair?
Ready now? Ready? Come on, let's go. Put on spots. Yeah? We are. We are finished. We are finished. We are finished. We are finished. Yeah? No, I go here. You hear that? Okay, what's up? That's a bonus. I have to train?
Yeah.
I have to train. I have to train. I have to train. Yeah. I have to train. Go. Yeah? Give me. Wait, hold on. Hold on up more. Come up more with your hand. Come over your hand. Hold on. Say, you guys should be here.
You guys should be here.
Up the river.
At the river.
Say, reggae cycling tour. Reggae cycling. Cycling. Cycle. Reggae! Welcome to the Reggae Cycling Tour! Say yeah, man! Say yeah!
Yeah.
Jiggy!
Jiggy. The water
Say yeah, man! Hey, say yeah, man! Yeah!
Water cold and crystal.
Yeah.
Say that.
The water is cold and crystal.
And we starting to go home.
Yeah.
It's late.
Say thank you, guys.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. So yeah, we are still at the Reggae Cycling Tour. Come on, Alorah. Go! What you go? Go home, goat. It's dangerous out here on the road. They might curry you. Go home. So yeah, at the Reggae Cycling Tour, this is part of the view. Right, so come on, Alorah. Come on, me. So that cow there, you can ask him for direction. His name is Mr. Moon. Mr. Moon! Where you go to Petersfield? Mr. Moon! Mr. Moon! Hello, sir!
The trees are blocking the way. We'll never get to see. Daddy, that looks like a tomato. Dad,
Oh, probably something on burn, like cane piece.
yeah. But look like tomatoes to me.
Look like tornado.
Yeah.
Oh no, sir. That's the moon. I'll open and close.
That's why it looked like tomatoes. That's loud.
Come in and the train. Very cool car. So they're coming from the river.
Yes, that we're going to see our bucket. Wow.
Right. Okay, land transportation. Bicycle, the car, the donkey cart, horse chariot, truck, yeah. Then we move from here to this, then move from one point to the next point. That's transportation.
Well, what is a water transportation?
Yeah, boats, submarine, ships.
And raft.
Yeah, raft from bamboo.
They're made out of bamboo.
Yeah.
And the long bamboo.
Down the hill.
On the hill. A train. I don't know. Over the right. This one is high.
Yeah. Pay attention to that there. Hmm?
Really cool.